Is your Porsche Cayenne Turbo S showing a check engine light and experiencing drivability problems? Don't ignore the warning signs. Call us now at 267-279-9477 for immediate expert assistance. We're Eastern Pennsylvania's premier European car specialists, and Misfire series issues are our expertise. When your high-performance Porsche develops engine misfires, it affects fuel efficiency, power delivery, and can cause serious engine damage if left untreated. Our certified technicians use advanced diagnostic equipment to pinpoint ignition system failures, fuel delivery problems, and compression issues specific to your Turbo S. Our comprehensive misfire diagnosis includes spark plug inspection, coil pack testing, fuel injector analysis, and engine timing verification. We understand the intricate engineering of European vehicles and use only OEM quality parts for repairs. Visit doylestownautoshop.com or email doylestownautorepair@gmail.com. Follow for real Euro repair advice.